Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today I am going to teach real English. Clear? Now the name of the chapter is How Daddy Was Always Late. Chapter 1. Written by Alexander Borisovich Ruskin. Now let me tell you something about the author. Alexander Borisovich Ruskin was a Russian writer and poet. He was born in Belarus and studied at the Literary Institute in Moscow. He became famous for his humorous and satirical writing. Come on, now let's start the chapter. Okay, How Daddy Was Always Late. When Daddy was little, he went to school just like other children. Okay, it's a normal thing. He went to school just like other children. All the other children came to school before the bell rang. Clear? All the other children came to school before the bell rang. But little Daddy always reached school late. Clear? Little Daddy always reached school late for some reason or the other. Clear? Daddy's parents could not do a little thing about it. Okay? Daddy's parents could not do anything about it. Every evening, the same old story would repeat itself. Clear? Have you done your homework? Grandma would ask. Okay, Grandma would ask little Daddy, have you done your homework? And what was little Daddy's reply? Wait a little. Okay. Stop that reading and start your homework immediately, Grandpa would say. Okay, Grandpa again would say the same thing. Just one more page, little Daddy would say. And little Daddy every time used to tell, wait a little, just one more page, so on. Okay, little Daddy would finish the page and start a new one. He just could not put down an interesting book to start doing the dull lessons. Now, just one more page, little Daddy would say. Put that book down. Wait a second. Put that book down. Wait a second. Okay, this went on. Okay, his parents used to tell, put that book down. And the little Daddy used to reply, wait a second. Finally, Grandma and Grandpa would lose their patience. They would snatch little Daddy's book from him. You will end up a lazy good for nothing, they threatened. Then little Daddy would feel offended. Okay, now good for nothing. What does it mean? It means unproductive and irresponsible person. Okay, and little Daddy would feel offended. Offended means upset. He would begin to weep and demand his book. He said that he would not start his homework until they gave it back to him. Okay, little Daddy used to say that he would not start his homework until they gave it back to him. And so the evening would slip away when little Daddy finally sat down to do. Okay, and finally little Daddy used to fall asleep. He did his homework in a daze. Okay, how did he do his homework? In a daze. By the time he was through, it would really be late. Grandpa and Grandma would be exhausted. Exhausted means tired. Okay, in the morning it was different story. Get up, Grandma would say. Okay, Grandma would say the same thing. Get up. Wait a second, little Daddy would mumble. Okay, little Daddy would mumble the same thing. Wait a second, wait a little, and so on. Okay, mumble means speak in a quiet and unclear voice. Clear? Now, same thing when tell, wait a second, you are late. Everyone knows how hard it is to get up when you went to bed late the night before. Okay, this is a common thing. If you go to bed late, you will not be able to rise up quickly. You have all your sweetest dream in the morning, especially you have to go to school. Time marched steadily on while little Daddy stretched and yawned and pulled his cloth on. Okay, time marched on. And what did little Daddy used to do? He stretched, he yawned, he pulled his clothes on, sleepily washed, dozed through his breakfast, and finally managed to get his books together. Then he was out of the house and running. Okay, now he's running. Why is running? Because he's already late. Since little Daddy did his homework at the last minute. Clear? Little Daddy used to do his homework at the last minute. So he never did it well. Since he was always late for school. Okay, he was always late for school. He often missed the teacher's explanation of a new subject. Clear? He often missed teacher explanation of a new subject. Why? It is just because he was always late. This made it harder for him to understand what the rest of the class was doing. Clear? Now look, by the side of given the meanings. Okay, dozed means started to sleep. And mumble means speak in a quiet and unclear voice. Okay, let's continue. Little Daddy was always late. Okay, throughout his life he was late. He was late for school. He was late for college. He was late for work. He lost out many things in life because of this awful habit. His friend loved to tell funny story about his being late. Even now, Daddy does not know how to walk slowly. Okay, even now he does not know how to walk slowly. He's always in a hurry. Why? Because he used to being late. Okay, now look, by the side of written one question. Okay, Let's read the question. Why did little Doddy lose out many things in life? Okay, answer. Little Daddy was always late all his life. He was late for school, late for college, late for work. So he lost out many things in life. Okay, now I've completed this story. Okay, now what you all have to do, you have to read this story again and again. Clear? And you have to make a copy, you have to write the meanings, you have to write the question answers. Okay, with this I'm concluding the video today. In my next class, I'm going to give something new. Okay, until then, goodbye.